Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to source for honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the 34-inch wear-and-go glueless wig, a 12A straight human hair wig with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace, and HD lace closure. This wig is designed to make installation easy and is perfect for beginners, thanks to its glueless construction. So let's dive into the details and see if this wig really lives up to the hype. The 34-inch wear-and-go glueless wig is made from 12A unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair. This means the hair is high quality, soft, and elastic from root to tip, providing you with a natural look that's full of volume. It's designed with 220% density, which offers a lot of fullness without weighing you down. The wig promises minimal shedding and no tangling, which is a plus for anyone tired of constantly dealing with hair maintenance. Now, let's talk about the key features. The wig is constructed with a 5x5 HD lace closure, which is designed to give you that realistic scalp-like appearance. The HD lace blends seamlessly with your skin, creating the illusion that the hair is growing directly from your scalp. This feature makes the wig feel incredibly natural, and it's a huge selling point for those who want a realistic look without the hassle of complicated installations. Another standout feature is the pre-plucked hairline and pre-cut lace. For many, one of the most frustrating parts of wearing wigs is the installation process, especially when it comes to adjusting the lace or plucking the hairline to make it look natural. This wig eliminates that step, making it perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a quick and easy wig to throw on. You won't need any glue, spray, or gel. It's a true wear-and-go solution. As for the cap design, this wig features an elastic dome cap that has been developed based on customer feedback. The C shape fits around the ear, ensuring a snug and comfortable fit. With 3 combs and an adjustable elastic band, the wig stays in place throughout the day, making it breathable and easy to wear. Whether you're wearing it for a special occasion or just for everyday use, the comfort and breathability make it suitable for long hours of wear. So how does this wig perform in real-world testing? I found it incredibly easy to install. Just slip it on, adjust the straps, and you're good to go. The texture is silky and smooth, and I was impressed by how little shedding I encountered. It didn't tangle either, even after wearing it for several hours. I also love the versatility of the lace closure. I was able to part it in the middle, to the side, and even try a cute half-up, half-down style. The wig really did offer the flexibility it promised. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this wig is beginner-friendly, easy to install, and provides a realistic look that blends perfectly with the skin. The cap design is also a big win in terms of comfort, and the hair feels incredibly soft and high quality. However, the density may be a bit too much for those who prefer a more lightweight wig. Some might also find that the length, 34 inches, could feel a bit heavy if you're used to shorter styles. In terms of value for money, this wig is a bit of an investment, but the high-quality human hair and glueless design justify the price if you're looking for convenience and realism. The lack of installation hassle alone is a big selling point, especially for anyone who wants to avoid the mess of adhesives or sprays. If you're comparing it to other wigs in this price range, you might find that similar options are available, but the glueless and pre-plucked features make this one stand out. There are other wigs with HD lace closures, but the ease of use with this particular one makes it a standout choice for beginners or anyone who wants a quick and flawless look. As for build quality, the wig feels solid and durable, and I've had no issues with the cap or lace tearing. The hair remains smooth even after multiple wears, and the lace closure hasn't shown any signs of lifting or fraying. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, there are some alternative wigs that offer similar features, like pre-plucked hairlines or glueless installation, but they may not come with the same 220% density or high-quality Brazilian virgin hair. However, if you're looking for a great balance of affordability and quality, there are definitely options out there that might suit a different budget. To wrap it up, this 34-inch wear-and-go glueless wig definitely delivers on its promises of easy installation, realistic appearance, and comfort. If you're someone who values convenience and wants a wig that's both beginner-friendly and high quality, I'd say this is definitely worth considering. The versatility in styling and the natural look it gives make it a great option for a variety of occasions, from daily wear to special events. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this wig or have any questions, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.